Hi, today I'm producing Galaxy A73 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. So now we can see here all our logged in Gmail accounts. If you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail application, you should first log out from Google accounts on your device. And to do that, we should click here to manage accounts on this device. Select one from these accounts, for example this one, and click to remove account. After that, confirm your action. And now in Google account settings, we can see that we stay only with 2 accounts. So let's go back to the application, tap on the right upper corner, and we can see that we also successfully log out from these accounts in Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.